What's the meaning of Bond Street? Bond Street. Bond Street.
Bond Street. Bond Street. Bond Street is a street in the West End of London, known for its high-end fashion and luxury boutiques. It has been a fashionable shopping destination since the 18th century and is considered one of the most expensive streets in the world. The name Bond refers to Sir Thomas Bond, a property developer who acquired the land in the late 17th century and developed it for residential purposes. Today, Bond Street is synonymous with luxury brands and attracts fashion-conscious shoppers from around the world.